Teacher Apple is using a signal interference for classroom discipline. Kapag sinabi mo pong signal interference, you don't need to talk, okay? You are just signaling para makontrol mo yung behavior ng inyong estudyante, which is the best to convey that you disapprove a student's behavior. Kapag hindi ka approve, hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa ng inyong estudyante, what can you do as a signal interference? Letter A, wink. Kikindatan mo siya. Letter B, raise your eyebrow. Letter C, clap hands once. Or letter D, put a hand on her throat. Nako, sinakal na yung estudyante. Tumpak na choice po here would be to raise your eyebrow. Okay? Raise your eyebrow. Di ba? Ginagawa din natin to kapag tayo nagtataray. Di ba? We are raising our eyebrow kasi hindi tayo approve. So, ginagawa ng isang tao. Yung wink, usually ginagamit mo to kapag meron kang gusto, di ba? Kinikindatan mo siya. Okay? Clap hands once. Usually, ito, ginagamit ito ng mga teacher to get the attention of the students. No? But usually, this is only applicable kapag bata, no? Young pa yung ating students. Okay? And of course, we cannot say put a hand on her throat. Hindi po pwede, no? Kasi ito po, ay paraan para kayo ay makavisit kay Tulfo. Okay? So matutulfo po tayo niyan. So we don't put a hand on the throat of the kids.